I don't know why when you are happy, some people will just stay there, they think how you would take the verse anyhow. I don't just know. Do you know I'm not happy at all? I'm not happy. What am I going to do now so that I will be happy? What am I going to do now so that I will start laughing again? I'm trying to check this wig that I put on, if it's good, because I bought it today. I think the wig fits me. To this side, some of all these small hairs where they come out, I know they like them at all. You understand? Some of all this, let me keep this thing in place. Hope I'm looking good. Peri 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 punkadum podum podum punkadum podum peri 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 punkadum punkadum. Unless as I carry these clothes up, the good. If I work on a side, I like to carry and go up. You understand? But if I don't want to carry and go up, I'll just leave it like this. And it fits with this. This is where you will see real me. This is where you see real joy. Forget about that ugliness where you see. Forget about the ugliness that you saw. This is real me. I did for Palo. Just trying to test this clothes because I bought it here. I am carrying back. That is cool. Jesus, you are worthy. Savior, thou art worthy. You alone are worthy to be praised. You alone are worthy to be praised. You alone are worthy to be praised. Haha. You alone are worthy to be praised. Kelenu Jesu, kelenu beyao. Kelenu Jesu, kelenu beyao. Kelenu Jesu, kelenu beyao. Kelenu Jesu, kelenu beyao. I don't say no, you know this song why they sing, and I may help me complete it. Happy Val, my people. Happy Val, my people. Many of us could talk, say, I know wish them happy Valentine. Please, I am sorry. So I want to use this opportunity to wish you to say happy Val. How I take celebrate? You know, easy. I see a lot of people the way they take celebrate their Valentine. A lot of gifts. Some even get engaged in this Valentine. Oh, It's quite a pity that I lost my mom. But it's well. I believe that next year, Valentine might be my own time. Might be my own turn. So I believe that next year Valentine will be my own turn. So you guys will be ready to celebrate me. You guys will be ready to celebrate me. Do you understand? Yay!